The Joint Committee on Inner Line Permit System, Manipur JCILPS, today organized a one-day discourse on inner line permit regulation in Manipur at Manipur Press Club, Major Khul. Speaking at the event, JCILPS convener YK Dhiren said that JCILPS will never compromise infiltration of outsiders into the state. Dhiren added that the government has failed to act on even after repeated requests to make changes in the current ILP system in the state. A security guard who received a shot of COVID-19 vaccine Covaxin yesterday at AIIMS, New Delhi, has been admitted to the hospital after he developed an allergic reaction. Confirming the news, a media report quoted AIIMS Director Randeep Guleria as saying that the security guard of AIIMS in his 20s received a shot of COVID-19 vaccine after 4 p.m. He complained of palpitations and developed an allergic skin rash within 15 to 20 minutes after being vaccinated and was admitted to the hospital, Guleria said. Today is the 299 days since India implemented a nationwide lockdown to help curb the coronavirus pandemic. India's COVID-19 tally stands at more than 1.05 crore, according to the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. A media report said the death toll in the country due to the outbreak stands at 1.52 lakh. While the total recoveries have increased to 1.01 crore, 2.08 lakh cases remain active. India's recovery rate is 96.6%. Globally, more than 9.38 crore people have been infected by the novel coronavirus and 20.12 lakh have died so far. Dense to very dense fog have engulfed three northeast states, Assam, Meghalaya and Tripura. Since early morning today, the states of Assam, Meghalaya and Tripura witnesses heavy fog resulting in low visibility. According to data released by the Indian Meteorological Department (IMD), visibility in Tripura capital city Agartala was recorded at 50 meters at 8:30 am. Meanwhile, visibility in Assam towns of Tejpur and Dibrugarh was recorded at 200 meters as at 8:30 am. On the other hand, visibility in Guwahati was also recorded at 200 meters as at 5:30 am. Dense fog in the cities is likely to affect air travel and railways, a media report said. A team of Bishnupur Police Commando apprehended one vehicle lifter during frisking and checking at Kwakta, Lamkai yesterday. Reportedly, one Yamaha R15 bike was recovered from the vehicle lifter identified as Ngangom Jamson Singh, aged 21 years, son of Kiran Singh of Sekta Mayai Laikai in Imphal East. Tightening security measures ahead of the upcoming Republic Day celebration, a team of Imphal West Police Commando, under the supervision of the District Additional Superintendent of Police Operations, searched houses at Uripok, Sorban Tingel, and Sinam Laikai early in the morning. A combined team of Thawal Commando and Khongjom Police Station, including Khongjom Women Police personnel, conducted house-to-house search operation at Papal Mayai Laikai this morning. The search operation was part of the security measures being taken up by the state police for the upcoming Republic Day celebration. Moirang Meitei Presbyterian Shinglub Moirang Committee felicitated newly appointed principal of Lokta Christian Model High School, Moirang, and national awardee Reverend K. Suraj Kumar today at Moirang Mission Compound in Bishnupur District. Shinglub Vice President Ojon, along with other office bearers of the committee, were present on the occasion. As 13 international experts of the World Health Organization (WHO) arrived in China to probe the origin of the coronavirus, the U.S. Department of State has released a fact sheet of the activity at the Wuhan Institute of Virology (WIV), while maintaining its claim that the virus may have escaped the controversial Wuhan lab. According to media reports claiming to have evidence that several researchers at the Wuhan Institute of Virology became sick in autumn of 2019 before the first identified case of the coronavirus outbreak with symptoms consistent with both COVID-19 and common seasonal illnesses. Indonesian rescuer retrieved more bodies from the rubble of homes and building toppled by a 6.2 magnitude earthquake, raising the death toll to 56 today, while military engineer managed to reopen ruptured roads to clear access for relief goods. More heavy equipment reached the hardest hit city of Mamuzu and neighboring district of Mazeni on Sulawesi Island, where the quake hit on January 15, said Raditya Jeti, the National Disaster Mitigation Agency spokesperson.